Hey followers, welcome back to another tutorial. Now this one is slotted in because I'm bringing you videos every Monday and Wednesday on hair and makeup training. This was supposed to be being posted on Instagram, but Instagram won't let me post it up. So therefore it is over here. I'm showing you how to create an updo on short hair. Believe it or not, this is short hair, and I've sped this tutorial up because it looks as though some of you are needing things nice and fast. So I've sped this up into a 3-minute video and I hope you like it. If you're looking for other videos with hair and makeup tips and techniques, then please hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments at the end if you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Please come and follow me over on Instagram. You can find the link up here. And if there's any other tutorials you would like to see, then drop me a DM if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.